Hi, I'm Amber Blonigan, owner of GI Automotive Group in Santa Monica, California. Today we're going to install an iPE exhaust system into this Porsche 991 GT3. The owner of this Porsche wanted to upgrade his system to a titanium system to get a more aggressive race sound and cut some weight. So we start by making sure the car is securely on the lift. Then we're going to remove the rear wheels, the rear bumper, because basically the exhaust slides out this way as opposed to dropping down. It's kind of a bigger job, but we can get it done in the day. This is the iPE titanium exhaust, and as you can see, it's very light. And this is a sock. I'm not even going to attempt to pick that one up. So the iPE exhaust valve system integrates directly into the stock system of the car. We just connected it here, so it allows you to turn the sounds up and down, make it more aggressive, racy when you want to, and then make it quiet when you want it quiet. The boys just finished installing the iPE exhaust. It's time to test it out.